Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut for hot dogs. First, gather your simple ingredients: fresh cabbage and non-iodized salt. You'll also need a clean, large glass jar or a ceramic fermentation crock. Ensuring all your equipment is spotless is crucial to prevent any unwanted bacteria from affecting your delicious batch. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfect fermentation. Next, prepare your cabbage. Start by shredding it into thin strips, ideally about 1/8 of an inch thick. For every 2 pounds of shredded cabbage, add 1 tablespoon of non-iodized salt. Now, the fun part. Massage the cabbage and salt together vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the cabbage softening and releasing its own liquid, forming a natural brine. Once the brine has formed, pack the salted cabbage very tightly into your clean jar or crock. Use a weight, like a smaller jar filled with water, to keep the cabbage completely submerged beneath its own liquid. This prevents mold growth. Allow your sauerkraut to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 3 to 4 weeks for the best flavor. After 3 to 4 weeks, your homemade sauerkraut is ready. Transfer it to smaller jars and store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep for several months. This tangy, crunchy topping is perfect for hot dogs, adding a fantastic flavor dimension. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.